Hello students, I hope you all are well. Today our last topic of revision of lesson 2 is population pyramid. Now what do you mean by population pyramid? As you all know, it can be defined as a graphical representation which displays the age and sex of the population. It basically shows two things: the population divided into various age groups and the percentage of the total population divided into males and females in each of the groups. The shape of the population pyramid gives us the details of the people living in a particular country. The bottom of the pyramid shows the number of children below 15 years and the top shows the number of aged people above 65 years of age. The two groups of dependents below 15 years and above 65 years are also shown in population pyramid. Now we will be going to revise three types of population pyramid. First is the population pyramid of Kenya, where birth and death rate both are high. Therefore, it is broad at base and rapidly narrows at the top. Second, the population pyramid of India, that is broad in younger age group, which means a large number of young people and a great labor force is present in a country. What is there? Large number of young people and a greater labor force is present in a country in population pyramid of India. The population pyramid of Japan, which has a narrow base and a tapering top, shows low birth and death rates. The population growth in developed countries is usually negligible. So in all, we have revised the distribution of population in the world, factors affecting the distribution of population, overpopulation and underpopulation topics, the components of population change, composition of population, and at last population pyramid. With this, we have revised chapter number 2, population dynamics, and this lesson will also come in unit test. So prepare this lesson thoroughly for your unit test. So all the best, prepare well. Thank you.